everyone. Today we are going to see some way by which we can solve the Rubik puzzle. Today I'm using ruwix.com online puzzle simulator to show the steps in solving the puzzle. This is like you can use the cursor to move the cube around like this. You can see all the 6 sides of the cube. You need some little practice, but it is very easy, especially in an iPad. If you use with your fingers, it's going to be very easy. And if you keep the cursor on the cube, then you can rotate each and every layer of the cube as you wish. Okay, so there are 6 faces in the cube. We know the color of the particular face after once it is solved is designated by the middle piece. So this is going to be the orange face at the later stage, and this is going to be the yellow face because the middle one is a yellow piece, and this is going to be a green face later on, and this is going to be a pink face and white. So there are 6 colors. It may vary from the real Rubik cube, right? The colors may vary. Okay, and let me consider like this is as the top face, and this front face, and this one is the bottom face, and this is the right side and the left side. So I'll be using those terms often to let you know what I'm moving, where I'm focusing on. And this is the first layer, first row, second row, third row of the top face, and this is the first row, second row, and third row of the front face, and this is the first column, second column, and third column of the front face. So I'll be using the words like rows, columns, which we are moving. Okay. So to begin with, we are going to solve the top face with the same color. Okay. So here I'm having 2 blues, 2 greens, 2 whites. So we can choose anything. I'm choosing 2 greens. Okay, so I'm going to set green everywhere. So first we will begin with the last row of the front face. Is there any green in the front face? No. Let me move. So there is a green piece in the middle of the last row, right? So I can shift this to the third row of the top face. Okay, there is already a green here, so I'm just moving it and I'm keeping a place vacant for this green to move. Okay. So the idea which we are going to follow is, if the piece that we want to move is in the middle row, middle column, okay, of this row or this row, what we are going to do is we're just going to hide it on the right side. Hide it on the right side. And then bring down the column. Okay. And then seek the hidden green and move back the column up. Okay, so now the green piece what we had here before is moved to the top face. Okay, now let's see, is there any other green? Yes, there's a green on the left corner of the third row, right? So we have to check the left corner of the third row of the top face. It is free. So it is in the left corner, so I have to hide it on the right side. I have to hide it on the right side. This is very important. And then bring back the column where I want to fix that green. Seek it again. Move it. So now we have got another piece, green piece in the left corner, but in the left corner of the top face there is a green, so it doesn't want to disturb it. Just move the cube and make it into place. Okay. Now we know the rule. If it is in the left corner, then we have to hide it on the right side. Bring the column down, seek it, and move it back to the top face. So we have got the green in the top face. Okay, now we are having a piece in the second row, left side. Same rules. If it is in the left corner of the third row, and in the second row, same rule. Okay, we have to find the empty place first. So it should go here. So we hide it on the only on the right hand side. Bring the column down, seek it, and move the column. Okay, so let's check is there any green on the third. Yes, there is a green in the middle. So the rule is hide it on the right side. Bring the column down, seek it, move to the top face. Okay, let's check if there is no green. Okay, there is no more green on this. Okay, we have found a middle piece in the second row. So same rule, hide it on the right side, bring down the column, seek it, move the column up. Okay, let's see if there is green. Okay, there is no more in the second. Now we have to check it on the bottom. Okay, there is one green on the right corner of the first row. Is there any space here on the right corner? Yes, there is only one that is left out. So this green on the bottom face has to move up to the top face. Okay, so for this, first we have to bring the column down. First we have to bring the column down. Okay, and we have to bring the column to the top face, and then we have to keep rolling the third layer, third row, until you find the green in the front face. Then we have to move it back. Now you know the rule for the left corner, right? So you have to keep the place vacant, hide the row to the right side only, and bring down the column, seek it, and push it up. See, now our top face is set all with green color. Okay, so we have covered a few steps here. There are some missing pieces also where the green can be in any of the top layer. We have discussed about the bottom row, that is the third row, and the second row, and also if it is on the bottom, right? So we have to see some more with the top or the first layer. Okay, let us see that in the next video. Until that, you just keep trying to move the pieces, okay, as you wish, and it is coming okay. Okay, thank you.